Hiya, buddy. So today we're going to make some egg rolls. I already made my mixture, so all we got to do is put it in, wrap them, and fry them. The filling, I've got cabbage, carrot, chicken, some salt and pepper, garlic, soy sauce. For the full recipe, I'll put it on my food blog, but you wet the corners down. And then I like to fold it up first, and then fold in my corners. Make sure they're nice and sealed, and then roll up and up. And there you have it, one egg roll. So I let this one cool off for a couple minutes, but let's give it a taste. Oh my god. The best egg roll I've ever had.